Hey guys, it's me vaping with TJ13. Hope everyone is doing well. Well, today is the day I do my Aprils Zamplebox. Now this is a subscription service, so like you have 3 different packages. You got 3 bottles, 6 bottles, or 11 bottles. Now this is a 6 bottle, and I think I paid like $40 a month. So yeah, 30 ml bottles. Now I get 0 meg, but you can pick whatever you want, how many megs, what kind of flavor. It's gonna give you a choices of categories like your flavor, what you like and what you don't like, and all that good stuff. So you can go to zamplebox.com, and yeah, let's open. So here it is. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've already opened it, and it was this stuff as well. So yeah. All right, so you get your Zamplebox stickers like this, and then you get a rating card, your 3 top e-liquids that you like. Hope you can see me. All right, and then you get a tasting menu. So here it is. Am I dark? Hope not. But anyway, and here are my liquids right here. So let's go. So the first one is Honey Bear. Let's go ahead and open it for you. I don't know. Do you think it's kid friendly, the packaging? Yeah, so Honey Bear is, let's see what it says. I'm looking on my April tasting menu for this. Honey Bears, Honey Bears graham crackers. It was $20. It's 30 ml bottle, 70 PG, 30 VG from Morena Vapes in LA, California. So let's go ahead and look and see how the bottle looks. It's a glass bottle. It looked like the packaging. So that's the first one. The second one I have is by the Milkman, and it's by Moonies. It is, let me see, Moonies vanilla cake with chocolate and marshmallows. So on the picture right here, it looked like a moon pie. So I'm pretty excited about trying this one. So yeah. So this one is Hooked Liquid. Now this is by Taffy Man. And this one is, let's see, Hooked Fruity Tangy Gummy Candy. It's $19, 30 ml, 70 VG. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, for the Moonies, I'm sorry, it was $15, 30 mLs and max VG. So yeah. Now getting back to this one, I kind of like the box. 0 meg, no nicotine, and it's not in a glass bottle. It's actually in a squeeze bottle. So that was pretty nifty, and it's child proof. So yeah. I'm gonna figure out which one I want to vape, y'all, because I don't think I'm gonna do all 6 today. So, and then we have Candy Pop. So Candy Pop is, where's it at? Why don't I see it? Oh, okay. Strawberry watermelon hard candy. Strawberry watermelon hard candy. It said on it twice. And this is like $14, 30 ml, 70 VG, 30 PG. Candy Pop. Then it says Los Angeles, California. So, might be one I pick. Don't know yet. All right, so the next one is this one. Berry Lemonade. Berry Lemonade is sweet and tart lemonade with mixed berries. So, that sounds pretty good. This is $15. It's 30 ml, 70 VG, 30 PG. So, yeah, from E-Juice NWNC. I meant from E-Juice NW Inc. Universally Placed. Is that Washington? Maybe Washington State. WA, I think that's what it is. Not for sure. All right, so the last one is the lemonade stand. All right, so it's tropical lemonade, $16, 30 ml, 80 VG, 20 PG. The lemonade stand from Branford, Connecticut. Yeah, and my total box value was $99.90. Yep. pretty good, huh? And I only paid like $40. Yeah, that's really good. All right, so now this is the choice. I don't know which one I want to try. It seems like all of them are good. Now, I did pick out 3 of these. I picked out the lemonade stand, the berry lemonade, and I think the Moonies. Those are the 3 I picked on the website. So, yeah. But I think I'm going to try. I'm only going to try one today. So, let's just try the Moonies. The Moonies rather. Oh, they do have like a search word thing on the back. The picture of what it tastes like. What are Moonies? So it's like a buttery cake with puffy marshmallows. So, yeah. This is from the creators from the Vaping Rabbit. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just open it up like that. Did I open the bottle? Open it. Oh, that's how the bottle look. I don't even know if I did that. All right, so now I'm vaping this on my Smock G-Pref 2, and up here is the Wismit J-Bow Indestructible. So I already got it wicked up. So let's go ahead and put some e-juice to it. I like to shake it up first. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Now, I have never had chocolate e-juice or anything like that. Oh, it's kind of brownish. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Maybe you can turn that real clear on camera, but it's a little yellowish. So, all mine always be clear. All right, so let's go ahead and have a vape. Make sure I got everything open. All right. What? Wait, hold up. Are you kidding me? Y'all, the chocolate is on point. Y'all, I'm finna tell you. This tastes like the moon pie. You know how you put it in the microwave and let it melt a little bit? This is exactly how it tastes. What? Y'all. This is on point. It says Mooney for your milky clouds. This is on point. Wow. Moonies, y'all. Makes me want to taste that. I know they have some more, and this is by the Milkman E-Liquid. Now, it makes me want to taste some more of their line, because I know they have more. I've seen it online and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. All right, bud, keep going. I don't know what else to tell y'all. It is on point. I give this a 5. I give it a 10. That's how good it is. No, now would this be an all-day vape for me? It sure will. Yo, this is on point. Okay, that's it. That is my sample box for April. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and follow me on my social links. I am Vaping with TJ13 on Instagram, and I'm also on Twitter as Vaping with TJ13. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Peace.